Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back once again, bringing you another tutorial with a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve your TV box's resolution by 100%, alright? If you're dealing with low resolution when accessing apps or watching a movie on your TV box, in this video I'll show you step by step how to improve the resolution, make the image sharper, the colors more vibrant, and get a good resolution. First of all, what you guys need to do is go into settings, right? Which is the configuration menu. And on this screen, you'll see this option here called display, right? You're going to go into display. And right after that, you'll see HDMI appear. Click on HDMI. And then go into the first option, resolution. Here, guys, there's an option for automatic, which will adjust according to your TV, or you can manually set it to the best resolutions available on your TV box. I recommend this first one here, which is 1920 by 1080. You just hit OK and confirm it, guys. I'm going to go back in here. Look, I set this resolution here, 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames. This is one of the best resolutions available on this list. As you scroll further down, guys, the resolutions start to drop, you know? Low resolution. And the higher up you go here, you can set the best resolution for your TV box and watch your movies with more sharpness, more clarity, and more brightness that this resolution can provide for you. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you in this video. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and at the end screen I'll leave 2 videos for you related to this topic. Click on one of them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, see you next time, I'm out.